We will go over the next exam cram number 2. This is the California Code and Ethics section. So we will study and I will give you the answers as we go. Number 1. The question is, which type of insurer is owned by its policyholders? The answer is a mutual insurer. So remember, the keyword is policyholders, mutual insurer. Number 2, the required contents of a policy include all of the following except the answer is C, the probability of loss. That's right, that's not included. Probability of loss. Number 3, Section 1729.2 of the California Insurance Code requires insurance producer applications and licensees to notify the insurance commissioner in writing within how many days of changes in background information after an application has been submitted or license has been issued? And the answer is 30 days. 30 days. The insurance producer has 30 days to inform the insurance commissioner in writing of any changes. 30 days. Number 4, what rule is used to determine the importance of representation? And we saw that in the previous exam. That is C, materiality of concealment. So this is the rule used to determine the importance of representation. Materiality of concealment. Okay, let's go to the next questions. Question number 5. How often must an insurer file the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, NAIC, financial statement? And the answer is annually. So the keywords here will be insure file, NAIC financial statement, annually, every year. Number 6, which of the following is a hazard? The answer is D, a condition that may increase the likelihood of loss occurring. Hazard. Number 7, upon notification of claim, a claimant must be given access to the California Fair Claims Settlement Practices regulations by all of the following means except, the answer is except by an interview appointment with an agent of record. So it cannot be done through an interview appointment. All right, let's go to question number 8. Question of number 8. The direct response distribution of insurance utilizes all of the following to promote the sale of insurance. So we can promote the sale of insurance through all of these except, that's right, except a telephone call from an agent. Number 9, a person authorized by and on behalf of an insurer who transacts life, disability, or life and accident and health insurance is defined as we are considered life agents, life insurance agents. Insure, okay. Number 10, a contract that restores an injured party to the condition that was present before the loss is, here's our word again, indemnity. It's called an indemnity agreement. That's the name of that. The contract that restores an injured party to the condition that was present before the loss. Number 11. Which of the following would an agent be guilty for misrepresenting the amount of dividends a policy will pay? That will be a misdemeanor. Just like not releasing information or the books to the insurance commissioner, that is a misdemeanor. So misrepresenting the amount of dividends, it's a misdemeanor. All right, let's proceed with number 12. Number 12, if you have been convicted of a misdemeanor, and the misdemeanor conviction is later expunged pursuant to California Penal Code Section 1203.4, which of the following is true? And the answer is A. Even though your misdemeanor conviction was expunged, you must still disclose your misdemeanor conviction on your individual application for an insurance license. So you must still disclose the misdemeanor conviction. Number 13. Policies covered under the California Life and Health Insurance Guarantee Association include all of the following except the answer is this: self-funded group life. Self-funded group life. So those are not covered. Those are not included. The self-funded group life. Number 14, according to the California Insurance Code, if an insurer's certificate of authority is revoked, the commissioner can proceed with any of the following actions, except using guarantee funds to pay salaries. That cannot be done. That action cannot be done by the commissioner. Number 15, if an insurer must have its rates accepted by the insurance department prior to using them, the insurer would be operating in which of the following types of jurisdictions? Because it's prior to using them. So the jurisdiction applied operating will be, it's called prior approval. Prior approval. So we have the keyword here, prior approval. All right, let's go to number 16. Number 16. The California Code of Regulations governing claim settlement practices prohibits all of the following acts under discrimination, except denial of claim based on, the answer is reckless behavior. The California Code of Regulations governing claim settlement practices prohibits all of the following acts of unfair discrimination, right? So it will prohibit gender, income, physical handicap, but not the reckless behavior. So we can deny claims based on reckless behavior. Number 17, an insurance solicitor is a person authorized to do what? The insurance solicitor is a person to assist a broker. So it's letter D. Assist a broker or agent in selling insurance. Very good. I hope this is being helpful to you, and I hope you will pass your test the first time. Yes. Let's go to number 18. When a person charges an insured a fee to review the insured's existing life policy, what type of license that person need? So when a person charges an insured a fee to review the insured existing policy, life policy, what type of license does that person need? So this would be number 18 is here, an analyst, a life and disability analyst. Okay, the one who reviews the life policy. Number 19, it is considered an unfair method of competition for an agent to advertise that the insurer the agent is appointed with is. So which one is an unfair method of competition? If the agent says he's a member of the Insurance Guarantee Association. So it is considered unfair. All right. Number 20, the increase in the probability of a loss resulting from an insured's dishonest tendencies is known as. So here we have the word dishonest will bring us to the key word in our answer, which is C, moral hazard. So it's not morale, right? Not with an E. It's not morale. The thoughtful state of morale. No, we're talking about moral hazard, no E. Number 21. All of the following are requirements of a contract, except the answer is B. So, all of these are requirements of a contract, except there must be equal consideration between the parties. And then number 22, according to the California Insurance Code, the commissioner can disapprove a license request to use a fictitious name for any of the following reasons, except that so it will be A, except that the name is a licensee's actual name. So he cannot disapprove if it's matching the name of the licensee. All right. So let's go to 23. Risk can be defined as all of the following, except the answer is B, the cause of loss. So the risk is not the cause of loss. It can be the uncertainty, the change of loss, the probability of an expected outcome, but it is not the cause of loss. Number 24. According to the California Insurance Code, an insurance broker is, letter D, is compensated for transacting insurance on behalf of another person with an insurer. So insurance brokers are compensated for transacting insurance on behalf of another person with an insurer. Number 25, failure to report background changes within the 30 days as required under section 1729.2. So what could happen to the licensee or applicant? It's actually all of the above. They can have the revocation of the license, the denial, the suspension. So it's all of the above. Number 26, insurer expenses include all of the following, except policy premiums. It does not include it. Number 27, the primary objectives of insurance regulation include all of the following, except the answer is D, interpret policy provisions. and 28. What is it called when an insurer uses higher rates for an individual solely based on religion, race, or ethnic group? That is correct. You got it. Unfair discrimination. No, no, no. Let's not fall into that. 29, letter B. 29, yes, it's letter B, misdemeanor. Okay. All of the following qualify as background information as defined in Section 1729.2 of the California Insurance Code, except the misdemeanor charges. Let's go to number 30, which is an agreement in which an insurer contracts with a third party to insure itself against losses from insurance policies it issues. What is the answer? The answer is reinsurance. When an insurer contracts with a third party to insure itself against losses. Against losses from insurance policies it issues. Okay. Number 31. Loss retention is an effective risk management technique when all of the following conditions exist, except it's B. Probability of loss is unknown, except the probability of loss is unknown. Number 32. When are parties to a contract required to communicate information solely based on personal judgment for a matter of question? And the answer is never, the letter D. So the parties to a contract are not required, right? And never required to communicate information solely based on personal judgment. Number 33. When used in the California Insurance Code, the word may is intended to be this will be permissive. Will be permissive. All right. Number 34. It is federal offense for an insurance agent to do all of the following except, so if an insurance agent does all of these, it's considered a federal offense, like falsify financial records, etc. But the one that is not considered a federal offense is misrepresent facts of an insurance application. Misrepresent facts on an insurance application. Number 35. All of the following statements about aleatory contracts are true, except number 35 is C. Except the insured and insurer contribute equally to the contract. Number 36. A contract in which one party promises to indemnify another against against loss that arises from an unknown event is, that's right, it's an insurance policy. Number 37. A person who acts, offers to act, or assumes to act in a capacity where a license is required without having a valid license is guilty of, that's right, you got it, misdemeanor again. Number 38, as defined in the California Insurance Code, insurance is a contract. Letter A. So, who are the members of the Medical Information Bureau? They're life and health insurers. We are life and health insurers. Let's go to number 40. The purchase of uninsured insurance policy may accomplish all of the following for the insured except, again, the elimination of risk. The elimination of the risk. Because the insurance does not eliminate the risks. Number 41. Which of the following statements regarding risk is true? And this is the one that is pure. Only pure risk are insurable. Number 42. The insurance department with primary responsibility for the risk selection process is called, that is called an underwriting. So we're going to see this a couple of times. Underwriting. Wonderful. And I think we just have these 4 more to go. The more times an event is repeated, the more predictable the outcome becomes. This is an example of, the law of large numbers. Letter A, the law of large numbers. 44. What recourse does an insurer have if violation of a material warranty on the part of the insurer is discovered? And the answer is D, rescission of the policy. Rescission of the policy. If the insurance is discovered, a violation of the material warranty has been discovered. Number 45. An insurer entitled to transact business by complying with the California Insurance Code is known as, the answer is C, admitted carrier. Admitted carrier, sorry, an admitted carrier. Number 46. Which of the following is an express power given to the agent in an agency agreement? And the answer is C. It is the authority to represent the insurer. All right. So now you can also try your answers and then retake the test again and again until you get a 90%. Good luck. You're gonna do amazing.